Hi everyone, and welcome to a brief overview of SelfCAD Tutorials tool. In this video, I will show you how to record tutorials, how to share them, and finally how to publish them on our website. There are 4 options in the tutorials list in the application. We'll focus on recording, but before we'll get to it, let me explain the other options first. The interactive tutorials will direct you to our public library, where you can find the collection of tutorials published by our users. I will explain how to publish your tutorials a little later in the video. My library, on the other hand, will direct you to the list of your tutorials. Play tutorial is the option to play tutorials from your hard drive in the TXT format. Simply click on the load file and select the tutorial from your hard drive. I will show you how to download tutorials in the TXT format a little later in the video. And finally, we come to the record tutorial option. You can start recording by pressing the record button. Please note that starting recording will remove all objects from the scene, so make sure you don't click on it by accident. Once you confirm, the record icon will change color to red, indicating that the recording is in process. From now on, every addition to the scene and every change made to the object will generate steps. Let me demonstrate. I'm selecting a simple shape, customizing it, and finalizing it. As you can see, all those actions generated steps displayed in the panel at the bottom. 3 actions turned into 3 steps, as indicated by the number over here. You can always check the recorded steps with navigation tools right here. You can go back and forward and see how you shaped the object. You can, of course, use any tools you like to create the design that you want. And because there's no step limit, you don't have to worry about the length of the tutorial. However, for the purposes of this video, I will keep this as short as possible. When you're done with the design and you're ready to save it and share it, you have to finalize the tutorial with the Finish button. Once you confirm, you will notice that the options to share and save tutorial became available. With Share, you can upload the tutorial to your library. You can access it with My Library option at the top. When you click on it, you will open a panel where you can customize information about the tutorial, give it a title, description, set the difficulty, and even add tags. Once you're done, click Share to upload it. Uploading the tutorial will open a new tab. What you can see right here is the landing page of your tutorial with all the information you customized beforehand. From this point, you can share tutorial with others on social media, start and replay it, as well as download it in the TXT format. I showed you how to play such tutorials at the start of this video. So that's the recording and sharing part done. Now let's focus on listing the tutorial in our public library. To do it, you have to access your library, find the tutorial you want to list on our website, and click Publish. It will mark the tutorial as under review, and if we approve of it, it will change the marker to green approved. If we don't, it will change to red declined. In such cases, you will receive an email from our support staff explaining what went wrong and how to fix it. From this point, you can further edit the tutorial. Expand the menu and select the Edit Tutorial option. Here you can change the title and the description of the tutorial, as well as add the thumbnail and a few other promotional images. You can also make your tutorials public, which will display them in your profile. And that's it when it comes to recording, sharing, and publishing tutorials. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and see you next time.